is our tower that we made today, and first it started out just like a structures box, and then we turned all the equipment into a big building. If you see it, the building is as tall as Emily right here. And wait, you're Emily. And
it's a masterpiece.
Yeah, it's really a masterpiece. And my mom just was making a joke about it and saying it's a masterpiece. And at the bottom, you can see we have a bridge. And if you notice it, it has a lot of color in it. And the squares right here are supposed to be gardens. And same over there. We tried to make it as tall as possible, but we only could do one more because it was about to fall. If you look at it closely, then you could tell that it was made by more than one person. Okay, see these little things down here right here, the up and down things? And those are like horns that you blow, since this is a castle. And see that there's a little river. Yeah, that blank space over there is supposed to be a river. And it took us a really long time to work on it. We had to make it 40 inches tall. We had to use our Brockman mines. And it was a bunch of fun. We enjoyed it, we really loved it. Okay, now here's a couple of things to point out. See this river? It really isn't a river. It's more of a swimming pool that I like to add. And it's at ages 5+ on the box, if you really see. And Emily is 4 and I am 7, but she's almost 5. So we kind of got surprised when she was able to do that amazing thing. And like I was saying, this really took a bunch of minds. There's not really a door entrance. And, okay, this is how we made it. See these little shapes right here? Those are triangles. We had to make them into a triangle shape. So, you just saw what it looked like. So, let's get our eyes back on the tower. And at first, when I looked at the bridge, I thought it was made out of some type, I'm pretty sure it's made out of some type of gemstone, the way I look at it, because it's kind of a turquoise color, and looks like it could come from a mountain, and there are a lot of interesting details. So, here's one thing that I need to show you. This took just me and Em. We had to work on it all by ourselves. It did not take an hour, but it did take a pretty long time, and it did not take a minute. And we even done like this. We worked on it together. Yes. Like I was saying, we worked on it together. And so, we got the idea of outside. And details. Outside, we had this big tree in our backyard. And we thought, maybe we could make a a castle that looks like that tree. And here, this is what the tree looks like. pretty big. So we thought it should be big for ours too. Okay, now let's move on. On the other sides, it isn't that cool, and you can kind of see the writing. But on this side, it's more clear and pretty. And it's cool. So, it's just one of my favorite experiences, and so... And I love